As far as CHC was concerned, the only audit issue raised by Baker Tilly was the risk of non-payment by the bond issuer. There was no audit issue about wrongful investment of CHC's building fund. The auditors did not see anything wrong with how the bond issuer used the bond proceeds as long as the investment was not a sham. N. Srinivasan, senior counsel for Tan Yee-ping, told the court today that these three statements had arisen from Tan's conversation with witness Fung Dao-ching on 28 December 2012. Although Fung could not recall the exact conversation, he agreed that they were words to the effect. Auditors for both CHC and Extron, Baker Tilly, TFW LLP had not raised any red flags with regards to the CHC Extron bonds. Earlier this morning, Fung's phone diaries revealed that Fung had scheduled meetings with Tan, Serena Wee and Chu Eng-han. Prior to a meeting in July 2008, Tan had sent an email attachment to Fung detailing the relationship between CHC, Extron Productions and AMAC Capital Partners. The court was also taken through BlackBerry messages retrieved from Tan's phone, showing a series of events that led to the email. These correspondences showed that CHC's management board had been concerned about the church's corporate governance and accounting matters after the Ren Tzu saga that arose at that time. Because of that, Tan and Wee had wanted to provide Fung transactions and potential risk factors about CHC's relationship with Extron and AMAC before meeting Fung to discuss the relationship between the three entities. Phone logs also retrieved from Tan's phone revealed that Fung had called Tan just 5 minutes before the email was sent, suggesting that the two had had a conversation about the contents of the attachment, and this resulted in Tan sending the document to Fung. This contradicted Fung's evidence yesterday that he might not have opened the attachment since the email had no accompanying message. Fung also admitted that he had advised members of CHC's management that legally CHC could buy bonds from a private limited company. There was no law against a church buying into a private limited company, but the church would have to be careful. He recalled that he told CHC to ensure that the repayments for the bond transactions were safe for the church. Kenneth Tan, senior counsel for John Lam, took Fung through emails in relation to the drafting of CHC's investment policy. The emails showed that between 27 June 2008 to 1 August 2008, members of the CHC team had discussed with Fung specific concerns relating to the CHC Extron bonds. These issues included the need to consolidate Extron's accounts with CHC as well as impairment of the bonds. Lam also specifically asked Fung to ensure that there was no equity structure in the bond. Fung maintained that he could not remember the exact conversations, but admitted that he did have discussions with some of the accused regarding valuation and impairment of bonds. Court will resume tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. For more information, log on to citynews.sg. I'm Sandy Yeo for City News, Singapore.